Welcome back, Dream High children. As we all know, our upcoming festival is our favorite festival, Diwali. So let's do something creative. What we will learn today? We will learn to make beautiful lanterns with colorful papers. Let's start. See, children, you can take any A4 size paper available at your home, any color. I have this mango yellow colored paper. You can take any color, any beautiful color or any favorite color of your choice. Okay, the paper should be of A4 size. See, first we will fold this paper in two halves, equally two halves. Okay, see. See, I have folded this paper in two halves. Okay. Now we'll take scissor. See, you can to cut this you can take the help of your parents or cousins also. Okay, don't try with your own to cut. Take the help of your parents. See, we have to cut this way. In standing line way, strips we have to cut, thin strips. We don't have to cut full up to here. We will stop our scissor here only. Okay, you can see, children. You have to cut thin strips, not too much thick and not too much thin. See, I'm almost about to complete this. Okay, I have completed. See, children, you can see how I have cut it. Okay, now what we will do, we'll open this paper. See, this way we have cut it. Now we will take like this and we will open this. Okay, and we will turn this paper this way. See, it was like this. We have cut it this way. Then we will open our paper and join both the sides with the help of Fevicol. You can use Fevicol also, or you can use stapler if you have at home. I am using Fevicol. Okay, children, see, I will paste the portion with the Fevicol. See, I have completed with my pasting. See, you can see this beautiful lantern. Wow, how beautiful it looks. Wow. Now, another process is, I have taken this type of paper. You can take any other colored paper. Try to take different color paper. Okay, this is my mango yellow color. I have taken another paper of this shade. So take another shade paper and cut in this way. Okay. This also you have to, don't cut full. Stop before the ending point. You must always remember to stop before the ending point. Cut single strips. See, I have completed with my cutouts. See, you can see, children. Okay, now we will put Fevicol in this portion, at the bottom. Okay, we will put Fevicol. Okay. Okay, now we will put some Fevicol in this portion at the top, only at the top. See, now we will paste it. Oh my god, I have done with the opposite side. This side we don't have to put the Fevicol, put in the colored side. Okay, now we have to see, this is my lamp and this is my bottom part. Okay, now we will put a thread or a ribbon to hang this lantern. See, my beautiful lantern is ready. See, children, how beautiful it looks. See how beautiful it looks. Okay, try to make this lantern, beautiful lantern at home, and decorate your home with this lantern. It will look Beautiful.